This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and this is issue 50 of Build Your Own Ford GT. The GT40 from the 60s, not the 40s, but it's called the 40 in the 60s. Yeah, you know what I'm doing. So, looking at the Ford France team, that's not a racing car. You can read all about it if you pause your video and read the words. If you don't want to read it, then, you know, I'm not too worried about the background of these, but nice pictures. It's always interesting. So we've got the left front wheel inner. We did the outer bit last time, so we've got the very outer bit, the hubcap thing, but the inner piece is the only other bit, and it just pops together like that. It's not rocket science. In fact, it's so not rocket science, I'm not even going to cut the video. I shall just go straight into it. We've got another piece, obviously from last time, we just popped that together like that. We've got another piece here, which, again, no screws required. We don't need that bit yet, so I'll keep that aside for later. But this, again, just pops in place. The pins that held that together hold this together as well. If you get them lined up right, there you go. That just pops together like that. It will squish together a little bit more, and once the tyre goes on there, that will hold it together. Oh boy, will that hold it together. I believe that's next time when we get to put the tyre on it, and then we get to attach all the other stuff to it and fit it onto the car, and then we get to put the hubcap bit on. So that is that. The quickest build video ever, probably. It might not be, it might be. I've done some pretty quick build videos. There's some when you don't need to put anything together, so at least we did something. So I'll see you for the next part very soon. Thanks for watching, stay safe. Bye bye for now.